How to repost someone's story on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Go to chats at the bottom and you need to add or repost story. You need to be mentioned. So click on the chat that you were mentioned on. Then click on the story. Open the person's story and then at the bottom you will find Add to Story option. Click on Add to Story. Then click on Stories at the bottom left and the story will be reposted on your story. And this is how to repost someone's story on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or what's a suggested topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.